Hey guys, so today we will be making some mac and cheese, but not the type you have to put in the oven or all that. Basic mac and cheese is going to go in the microwave for a bit and it's going to take you the least amount of time. So let's get it. I am the Lazy Chef. If you want to see more Lazy Chef videos, like, share, subscribe. And yeah, let's get to it. Put some water, and maybe like a cup, like half a mug full of pasta. I'm gonna boil it for a bit. Keep in mind, I don't really boil with oil because I just need it to harden. I'm just gonna boil it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Add some salt though. And you need to pour cold water on them so that they don't be all attached, like they don't start being weird and sticky. Now we're gonna put it in our mug. Just gonna put it in our mug. Now we're gonna put a teaspoon of milk. Not a teaspoon, a tablespoon, sorry. A tablespoon of milk. Just drop all that cheese in there. You can use any cheese, that's all up to you. You can even use a sliced one if you have. I shredded mine. Just remove it and just layer it on top. Just like break it down and layer it on top. I'm gonna layer my cheese on top of it like that. It's layered on top of the macaroni like that. Now I'm going to pop it in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. So just removed it from the microwave. It was there for about 2.5 minutes. It's done. Our mac and cheese is all cheesy and sticky, and now we're gonna taste it. Let's try this. Cheese is like the best part of every food. Okay. Oh my god, how can work? You can eat it like that, or you can add whatever you want to add. You can add some meat in there for the meat lovers. You can add some veggies if you want, but it's really good by itself. So there we have it, the mac and cheese in a mug. I am the Lazy Chef. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll be back next week with more Lazy Chef videos.